All right, students. So remember, we have our mentor text over here that we looked at yesterday, and we're going to be looking at it again about this mentor text on woodpeckers. So today we're going to focus on rereading a source text closely to find facts and details that we need to draft or make a mentor text like this. So we have our chart over here that we're going to be working on, and we're going to go to page in our book 3. I'm sorry, page 4 and 5. And so I'm just going to copy this over for us. Actually, instead, I'm just going to bring this chunk over here. There we go. I'm going to put it right over here so we can look at it all together. And let's zoom in. Our text, and we have our graphic organizer. And so we're going to be looking at the appearance and behavior of woodpeckers. So I'm going to look at page 5, and I notice that there's a picture labeled red-headed woodpecker right here. It gives me a good idea of what some woodpeckers look like. I notice that the woodpecker has a red head, white body, and black and white wings. So that's what I'm going to put in this appearance section. Appearance is basically what it looks like. So we have red head, then we have, and actually I'm going to use these bullet points. So there we go. He has a red head, he has a white body, and what else does he have? Well, he has those black and white wings. And so my appearance can be complete, but I may find some more information in the text. Now, let's see if there's anything though about the behavior. So let me also make this a little bigger for us. There we go. And slide over. And our formatting is always the most fun, isn't it? Perfect. All right, so now we're going to look at the behavior of a woodpecker. So I'm going to highlight it. Let me get my highlighter out. And I'm going to use a different color. I'm going to use this purple one. And then just so I remember, I'm going to highlight behavior here so I know that's the color that I'm finding in the text. So what do I notice? Well, remember, it talks about the woodpecker and how it pecks. So the woodpecker, maybe that idea didn't work. So let me do an underline instead. So it says the woodpecker uses his head for pecking. So that's one thing I notice. It's not true for all the other birds. So let's put that in this first part for our behavior. Let me zoom out. Perfect. And we'll get our bullet points, stretch it, and now we're good. So our behavior uses that head for pecking. It's not what all the other birds do. So it's something special about him, something unique about his behavior. What else do we notice? Well, there's also this nice text piece that I can copy straight out. It says, the jay's action involves the whole body, yet his blows are softer, not so sharp and abrupt as those of the woodpecker. So it's telling me this part right here, not as abrupt. So it's telling me a woodpeckers are sharp and abrupt. So we're comparing it. So I'm going to copy, because I really like that sentence, I'm going to copy exactly from the text. So remember, when I copy from the text, it's perfectly okay, but I just have to let the reader know that that's what I'm doing. So what I do is I put it in quotation marks. Remember, those quotation marks let me know that it's been copied. It's not my own words. If you do copy, that is perfectly okay. And then, since I'm not starting at the beginning of the sentence, I'm going to do 3 periods. Those are called ellipses, and it just lets me know that, hey, there's more to this sentence if I wanted to go back and read it. Now, we could go and add more, but this paragraph doesn't really give me more information about woodpeckers. It's just this tiny part, because the rest of it was about the kinglet, the jays, so I'm actually done with this. Now, you will notice, as we work on later our woodpeckers video, we're going to fill it out with even more. Congratulations, guys! We're done with our writing lesson for today.